my name is King Infinity and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I go from this to plump and curly hair using just my hands, water, and some leave-in conditioner. If that's something that you're interested in watching and learning, stick around. And if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, like the video up, leave a comment, and don't be scared to follow me on my social media. So with all that being said, let's jump right in. Wait, well, first of all, I need to get out of this jacket. Alright, that's better.
Alright, so what you're seeing here is my hair before the whole process. You can see that my hair is not the best looking right now, but after this process it's going to become way better. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate my hair and make sure all of my hair is wet. Next, I'm going to use my fingers to go through my hair thoroughly and slowly. It might seem like I'm going fast, but that's because the video is sped up a little bit. But I'm using my fingers to go through my hair rather than using a pick or a comb. This process is called finger detangling for those of you who don't know what it's called. When you encounter knots in your hair, make sure you're taking your time to detangle it, because if you don't, you're going to rip out your hair and that's not good for the health of your hair. Alright, so this part is completely optional and you don't have to do it if you don't want to, but I use some conditioner to help with the detangling process and also to help my hair clump together and form curls. I know it's kind of hard to see because the camera is foggy, but what I'm doing here is I'm doing the same thing I was doing before, which is raking my fingers through my hair carefully and making sure that the conditioner is being dispersed throughout my whole head. What I'm showing you here is that my fingers could go all the way from the front of my head to the back, just to show you how untangled my hair is. Another key to this process is the shaking of your head, and this just helps your hair clump together. After all the head shaking, you can go ahead and rinse out the conditioner, but keep in mind that you still have to rake your fingers through your hair. This whole process, the main thing about it is raking your fingers through your hair.
Perfect.
Okay, so now that I'm out of the shower, it's time for me to add products into my hair. But the key to this is keeping your hair soaking wet. If you're going to be adding hair oil to your hair, make sure that you're focusing it onto your scalp rather than on the actual hair. Okay, now for some leave-in conditioner. What I like to do is I like to take a big scoop of the Shea Moisture's leave-in conditioner and mix it with the As I Am leave-in conditioner just to make some type of concoction. You know, I like my little science experiments, but I do this because I just want to get rid of the Shea Moistures. You want to have a generous amount of leave-in conditioner for this hairstyle to work. I don't know if it'll work with a little bit, but from experience, having a lot is what works for me. You could try it out, you could test out different amounts, but this is just what works for me.
Perfect.
Alright, so after all of that work and all of that head shaking and headaches and migraines, this is the final product. And I know that I don't have a lineup, so best comment about my lineup is going to get pinned in the comment section. So do your worst.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And please visit those social media links down below in the description to find my Twitter and my Instagram. So with all that being said, this is the King, the curly-headed King, signing off on the fam.